Hey, what's up, everyone? I want to make a quick video here, just updating everyone what I'm doing here in the market. So, am I recording? I am recording. Okay, so I'm interested in buying some XRP, and I kind of just want to talk about what I'm seeing in the markets right now and what my kind of plan is right now. So, before I delve in too much into the technical analysis of what I see going on with XRP, I first want to talk a little bit about what Bitcoin is doing. And I am interested in accumulating XRP in the near future here. But the reason why I want to start with Bitcoin is because the price of Bitcoin is highly correlated with what's going on with XRP. If we zoom in here real quick on the daily chart of XRP, we can see this recent drop off very closely mirrors the price of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin affects what happens in the entirety of the rest of the market. So let's take a look at what's going on. So if we look right now, let's take a look at the daily chart first to see what's going on. Now, there's been kind of this consolidation phase around $10,000 of support, and the market's very unsure whether or not it's going to hold this 10,000-ish area of support or whether it's going to fall back again and fill that CME gap. CME. I said EME in another video. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so taking a look at our indicators here, I personally believe that Bitcoin is going to continue to fall down. And the question is how much. So it might fall down, retest support here, then bounce back up. If we take a look at our indicators, the RSI is, pointing that it's going to go down. Actually, the MACD on the daily isn't looking too bad. The MFI is kind of flat there. But if we took a look at the 4-hour here, yeah. So if we take a look at our indicators, there is a lower high on the RSI. The histogram appears like it's about to tick down. I'm anticipating a crossover. It might not happen, and the MFI is losing strength. So, yeah, the 50-day EMA is right on top of the price there. And we have a lower high in the actual price action. So I predict, I could be wrong. No one knows these things for sure, guys. But these are all just indicators, right? No one knows anything for sure. But I think that Bitcoin's gonna go down a bit here. Let's take a look at what the 1-hour is saying. Yeah, volume's down. That is the RSI is going up though. We have a tick down on the histogram, the MACD. There might be a crossover. Yeah, it's a sharp drop off too. I don't feel like that's gonna make a higher high. Let's see what the 30 minutes saying. Yep. Yeah, almost got a crossover here. Yeah, guys. It looks like we're gonna have some sort of pullback here on the price of Bitcoin. Now the question is how far it's gonna go. Maybe if we take a look at our Bollinger Bands, let's see if TradingView here lets me, because there we go. I gotta take one off. Okay. Let us see what the Bollinger Bands are saying. Oop, that's not. There we go. All right. Yeah. So the question is whether we're looking at a pullback that retests, this area, or a pullback that retests support around 10,000 is an open question. But the reason why I wanted to touch on Bitcoin is depending on what Bitcoin ends up doing will influence my strategy on buying XRP. And the reason why I want to buy XRP for long-term holdings, it's important to specify. I don't plan on really day trading or swing trading much at all. Certainly not large portions of my XRP holdings. The vast majority of my XRP holdings I'm holding long-term, year plus. But before I decide, I've actually already. I know I'm jumping back and forth here a lot, guys, but basically the price of Bitcoin, just to finish off here to wrap up, whatever happens with Bitcoin here, it's at a very indeterminate price. It could continue to fall down, retest the either this support or fill this CME gap at around 9,600, or it can maintain around 10,000 and then bounce back up. We really don't know. So I'm going to wait to see what happens with Bitcoin. Now, I've actually already started to accumulate. I've started ladder buying some XRP at around the $2,400 mark here. And let me just take a sec to explain what all these fucking lines are. So, if we take a look at here, this is real zoomed out. This is the price of XRP ever since late 2017 to today present. If we take a look at these are major resistance levels that have acted as resistance where the price could not break above for literally years. This is a very, very long consolidation period. And as of late, as of very recently, the price of XRP broke above. So, a lot of people got excited when this happened. They thought the bull run was here tomorrow, but guess what? It wasn't. We had a major pullback here, and now we're retesting these previous support levels. Now, so the question is right now, is this going to find support here, or is it going to continue to fall and maybe retest this resistance level here? And honestly, guys, I'm not a technical analysis wizard. I can't predict the future, but I think this the price action for XRP will be determined by what ends up happening with Bitcoin. So I'm just waiting out. I believe in the long-term potential of XRP, and guys, don't just buy something because I mention it. It's important that you guys do your own research. But I personally believe that XRP will do well in the long term here, so I'm buying into XRP, because even if we have a correction down, it breaks below these support levels. At the end of the day, if XRP does as well as I think it will, it really won't matter in the end. But I've just started laddering my buys, so I'm just starting to buy a little bit of what I ultimately want. I haven't bought everything of what I want to allocate to XRP, because I'm waiting to see what happens with this price level here. So let's take a look at some of the stuff to see what could be happening. So we could be seeing some kind of Elliott wave right here. Now, I'm not the most knowledgeable when it comes to Elliott wave theory, but I believe with Elliott wave, let's see if I can get this right. A candlestick cannot close on the fourth wave. A candlestick cannot close below the first wave, or else it invalidates the Elliott wave, and it's not an Elliott wave. And if we take a look here, it's just a wick. It's just a wicks that closed, that touched the first wave here. So basically, guys, this could still potentially be an Elliott wave, and we could potentially, if Bitcoin holds its price, see something like this, where we have another impulse upward, bringing us to maybe 40 50 cents. Or if Bitcoin breaks below the $10,000 support and perhaps fills that CME gap, potentially could even fall further, depends what happens with the stock market, we're likely going to see something like this, where we break below 23 cents. The 21 cent range is going to be another area of support. But again, if Bitcoin's falling, there's a chance that the XRP could fall below this area of support. And the next area of support I anticipate is this very, very long resistance point here. So basically, guys, depending on what happens with Bitcoin, if it stabilizes, I could potentially see XRP doing something like this, which is why I've started to ladder my buys at around 24 cents. Or if Bitcoin goes to shit and falls and maybe fills that gap, we can see something like this happen, where it breaks below the 23 cent area. We test maybe the 21 cent. And if the market's still weak, we may even fall below that and retest around these levels, maybe around the 18 cents. Who knows? So yeah, guys, that's just, I kind of want to make a quick video just kind of explaining my thoughts on what's going on right now, because I do plan on buying some more XRP in the future here. And I just kind of wanted to explain what my thought process was at the moment. So yeah, guys, if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, I'd really appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. It's actually crazy how much we've been growing as of late. Like, this is a brand new channel. I believe I started this like maybe a week ago. Like, we already got like 35, 36 subscribers. Shout out to all you guys. Appreciate you. And we got the buy to out videos have been doing great. We've been getting videos with like hundreds of views, which is crazy. This is such a new channel, and like yeah. So I appreciate all you guys. And yeah, there's gonna be more cryptocurrency and news and analysis coming soon. So stay tuned. That's it for now, guys. I just kind of want to talk about what I see happening right now in the market, and I will update you guys once I make a decision. Or once, Bitcoin or XRP makes a major movement here. So thanks, guys. That's it for now.